So Samsung DeX for years, it's been this amazing idea that was almost great, right? A desktop PC powered by your phone, but held back by some frustrating limits. Well, with the latest September update on the Galaxy Z Fold7, Samsung is finally fixing the biggest problems. We're talking about WQHD resolution support, honest to goodness desktop widgets, and new screen rotation controls that totally change the game. I'm going to show you how these three features make DeX a real powerhouse and might just convince you to leave that laptop at home. The September 2025 security update for the Galaxy Z Fold7 is here, and while for most it's just another patch for power users, it's a whole lot more. This One UI 8 update brings some seriously powerful new tools. Sure, it has the latest security fixes, and there's some cool new media controls and Google Finance stock alerts for the Now bar, which is nice for quick info. But the real headline, the update we've been waiting for, is the major overhaul to Samsung DeX. If you don't know DeX, DeX is what turns your Galaxy phone into a full desktop computer when you plug into a monitor. It's always been a neat trick, but with these changes, it's graduating from a fun gimmick to a serious workhorse. We're going to focus on the three breakthrough features in this update that completely transforms DeX experience on the Fold7. So let's kick off things with the most obvious and satisfying upgrade, screen resolution. For a long time, a huge complaint from the DeX community was the display resolution. You could have a beautiful QHD or ultra-wide monitor, but DeX would often just give you the full HD. It made everything feel a little soft and cramped. While there were workarounds using tools like GoodLock, it never felt like a clean, official solution. That's history now. With the One UI 8 update, Samsung has rolled out official stable support for WQHD resolution, which is 2560 by 1440 pixels. And wow, the difference is night and day. When you connect your Fold7 to a capable monitor and jump into the settings, you can now select WQHD and the whole desktop just snaps into focus. Text is suddenly razor sharp, making it way easier to read for long periods without your eyes getting tired. But it's not just about looking pretty. This is about productivity. All that extra screen or real estate means you get run 2 or even 3 apps side by side without them feeling squished. Think about it. Your research in a browser on one side, a report in the middle, and your team chat on the other, all perfectly clear and usable. This isn't a minor change. It is fundamentally redefines multitasking in DeX. It finally makes the visual experience feel as powerful as the phone running it, turning a compromised setup into something expansive and professional. Now, a sharper screen is great, but a real desktop needs to be more than just a big canvas for apps. It needs to be an info-rich dashboard. The old DeX home screen was, let's be honest, a bit boring. It was just a wallpaper and your app icons, functional, but not exactly dynamic. You had to open an app for literally everything. This brings us to the second game-changing feature, desktop widgets. This is something users have been asking for forever, and it's finally here, rolling out first on the new Fold7 and Flip7. You can now just long press on the DeX home screen and add widgets just like on your phone. This might sound simple, but it completely changes how you interact with DeX Desktop. It's no longer just a passive app launcher, it's now an active, glanceable dashboard tailored to you. So think about how you'd use it. You can drop a full-size calendar widget on your desktop instantly. Your schedule for the day or week is right there, no app opening required. It's a small tweak that saves a ton of clicks and keeps you in the zone. Or add a Google Keep or Samsung Notes widget. Now you have a digital sticky notepad right on your desktop for quick ideas or a to-do list. It's perfect for capturing those random thoughts while you're focused on something else. Throw a Spotify or YouTube music widget on there. No more hunting for the right window. Add a weather widget, a world clock, or anything else you use on your phone, and suddenly the desktop feels alive, personal, and way more usable. This feature really closes the gap between a stretched out mobile OS and a true modern desktop. Hey, if you're finding these tips useful and want to really get the most out of your Galaxy device, do me a solid and hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. It takes a second, but it really helps out the channel, and make sure you don't miss any future videos like this one. Okay, so we have a sharper display, a smarter home screen. Let's talk about the third big update, one of the real power users, the coders, writers, and anyone who lives in a long document: advanced display rotation. DeX has always been locked into a standard horizontal landscape mode. That's fine for most things, but it's not always ideal. If you've ever used a vertical monitor, you know what a game changer it can be for certain tasks. With the September update, Samsung has built full rotation controls right into DeX, letting you rotate the interface 90, 180, or even 270 degrees. The most obvious use for this is portrait mode. If you're a programmer, this is a dream. You can see way more lines of code at once, which means less scrolling and a better overview of your work. The same goes for writers and researchers. Reading long articles or legal documents feels much more natural this way, almost like reading a digital page. Even for casual use, it's great for vertically scrolling feeds on social media or news sites. The other rotation options just add more flexibility for weird monitor stands or port placements. This shows Samsung is listening to what pro users actually need: flexibility. DeX is no longer a rigid system, it's a fluid one you can shape to your workflow. So beyond these three headliners, the One UI 8 update adds a few other quality of life improvements that really polish the DeX experience. You can now pin any app to the taskbar, not just recent ones you've used. It's a small thing, but being able to create a permanent dock for your browser, file manager, and email client is incredibly convenient. There's also a new dedicated full screen button at the top of every app window. Anyone who's used DeX knows that the pain of some apps refusing to go truly full screen. This button forces them into a proper immersive mode, which is great for watching videos or focusing on one task. And finally, Samsung added more granular settings for your keyboard and mouse, giving you better control over things like pointer speed and where the on-screen keyboard appears. So what does this all look like in the real world? Imagine you're working from a coffee shop. You pull out your Galaxy Z Fold7 and a portable WQHD monitor. You connect them with one USB-C cable, and instantly your super sharp WQHD desktop appears. Your calendar widget is on the right, showing you the next meeting, and your Keep widget has your to-do list ready to go. You need to work on a long report, so you physically turn your monitor vertically. You hop into settings, choose the 90-degree rotation, and DeX pivots with it. Now you can see a full page of your document without endless scrolling. Thanks to the high resolution, you can snap your research browser to one side and your document to the other, with both perfectly legible. Your essential apps are pinned to the taskbar for instant access. This entire flexible, powerful workstation is running off the phone in your pocket. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is what's possible right now with the Galaxy Z Fold7 and the new September update. So there you have it. This latest update delivers the most meaningful upgrade to Samsung DeX in years. It's not just a small patch, it feels like a genuine transformation. With official WQHD resolution support, the experience is finally as crisp as our monitors. With the desktop widgets and the home screen is now a personalized, powerful dashboard. And with advanced rotation options, DeX is more adaptable to any workflow than ever before. These features work together to solve some of the biggest annoyances that have held DeX back. It's moving from a cool feature to a legitimate productivity tool that could replace a laptop for a lot of people. Samsung is finally making DeX exciting again, and that is a huge win for everyone. But that's just my take. I want to know what you think. Which of these new features is the biggest game changer for you? Is this combination of high resolution support, widgets, and rotation enough to make you finally leave your laptop behind, even just for some of the time? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.